Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this one we're gonna turn an image into a song. So basically I'm gonna take a random image and whatever vibe I get from that image, I'm gonna try to capture it in a song. Also, this video is brought to you by Skillshare. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about them later. So there's this site where you put this link in your browser and it generates random image. So I generated a few of these, like so, and then put them into another site, which is this image picker wheel. And I'm gonna spin that wheel, and whatever image we land on, I'm gonna try to turn that image into a song. So yeah, let's see what we can do, and hopefully it gives us some sort of inspiration for the song as well. So let's spin it right now. And we get this night desert image. So let me load up the whole image and let's start working on a song. So this is the image. I'm gonna put it in FL Studio background as well, just sort of we get that vibe in FL Studio as well. So here is our FL Studio with the image. Now let's start working on a song. So let me look at the image and let's think what would be the right song for this. So probably something chilled out. It's getting to a nice time and it's on a desert, so it should be like pretty lonely or whatever. So my first idea is to start with like a drone sound. I mean like one note going throughout the whole song. So let's see if we got something like that somewhere. So we have a few options right now. So let's just start with one note, something like this, you know. But that's maybe too scary, actually. I'm thinking more of a pad sound. Yeah, this is sort of like a desert vibe. So yeah, let's take this note and maybe make it super long. Can sort of play in the background. Yeah, we're on a desert, it's nighttime, this is the sound you get. So the next thing I would do is like maybe a piano that is sort of in the background. So let's try Nexus for this one. Yeah, that's not it. Yeah, that sounds nice. This drone is like sort of has different frequencies. Let's see if we can find a better sound for this. Okay, maybe let's layer the sound from Nexus. Let's see if that works. Okay, maybe we can use this one. Let's see. This sounds pretty good. Not sure about the piano. Maybe if we put like a bunch of effects on it, you know. So let's put a Super VHS maybe. Give a shout out to Baby Audio, really cool plugins. Let's see, maybe octave higher. Now pause the video. Hey, it's me Arcade again, from the future. That's why my beard is longer. And I bring you more information about Skillshare. Skillshare is a platform where you can learn new skills of all kinds, including music production. Now there is a lot of classes by professionals that teach you everything in detail. Right now, I would recommend this class by Joel Michael, How to Grow Your Streams on Spotify Organically. So this is a great class for anyone who already makes music and wants to release it and get more streams. If you are more interested in learning how to make music, specifically in FL Studio, we can search for FL Studio. And as you can see, there is tons of classes, once again, and these teach you everything in detail. Some of them are like 4 hours long. Right now, I would recommend you this one by Riley Weller, FL Studio 20 Beginner's Course. This is a great one for anyone who wants to learn how to use FL Studio. Anyways, the first 1,000 people who click the link below will actually get free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. That means you get access to all of the classes on Skillshare. And if you want to continue your subscription, it can cost as low as $10 a month. So yeah, definitely check it out, link below in the description. Learn some new skills, improve your existing skills, and now let's get back to the video. Now I'm thinking on the desert, like a little bit of drums, but sort of Indian drums or something like that. but super in the background, like super slow and light. Yeah, something like this maybe. And make it like super light. Maybe a bunch of reverb. I'm thinking shakers as well. And shakers also super light. Okay, so maybe start this way. But what if we do the shakers half the tempo? Super slow. Okay, and another thing we can do is do an automation on this. Sort of make it go back up. Yeah, that's definitely what I had in mind. It's sort of scary right now. It's a scary desert. And no wonder, like, you're alone in the desert. It's no fun, you know? I feel like we could add some more, like, brass instruments or something distorted to add to the confusion. Like, it's a beautiful picture, but also sort of scary because you're alone in the desert and it's nighttime, so... So I'm thinking, like, a big brass hit. Let's see how it would fit in there. And sort of layer that with some fills, no, not fills, some cymbals. Yeah, like that. Okay, maybe I introduce an arpeggio of some sort here. No, definitely not this sound. Okay, let's do Nexus again. Yeah, maybe sound like that. I mean, the melody like that, but sound should be different. Okay, I'm thinking let's add a bass as well. And I know exactly which one. And let's make it like a bass melody. Like so. Oh yeah. That's it. That's exactly what I had in mind. So let's see if it will fit. Okay, I sort of like it, but not with these sounds and the mixing, but I'm gonna make it work. So let's change this sound to something. I'm not sure what. Should we go electronic on this? Maybe. Okay, and another thing I want to do is take the bass. That one is gonna escalate as well. And perhaps this can de-escalate here. Also, let's take another drum loop, perhaps, and maybe like this. This one is also gonna fade in. Okay, so the song is ready. This is what I imagine this picture, this image would sound like if it was a song. I sort of made a soundtrack for this image. So yeah, let me know if this is what you sort of had in mind, or you had something completely different. Anyways, let's have a listen to the full result. And hey guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this idea. It was sort of an experiment and it can definitely help you, inspire you to make tracks. And if you have a writer's block or something, this can help as well. So make sure to... So if you liked the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.